Hello friends, welcome back to tootscorner.com videos. Today let's see protein-rich paneer salad for muscle building. A high-protein, low-carb vegetarian salad designed to support muscle growth and recovery. Ingredients: 100 gram paneer cottage cheese contains approximately 18 gram of protein, a great source of casein protein that supports muscle repair and growth. Half cup cooked chickpeas provides about 9 gram of protein, rich in fiber and helps with muscle building and recovery. 1 cup mixed greens, spinach, kale, optional, arugula, low in carb, rich in vitamins and full of antioxidants to support overall health. 1 medium tomato, rich in antioxidants and fiber, supports digestion and fat burning. 1/4 cucumber, hydrating and low in carb, aids in digestion. 1 tablespoon olive oil provides healthy fats that support muscle recovery and overall health. 1 tablespoon flax seeds, rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids which help with muscle recovery and inflammation. 1 teaspoon lemon juice boosts metabolism and enhances digestion. Salt and pepper for taste and to aid digestion. Instructions: prepare the paneer. Cut the paneer into cubes. Mixed veggies: slice the cucumber and tomato, combine them with the mixed greens in a large bowl. Add protein. Add the paneer and cooked chickpeas to a bowl. Dress the salad. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Season with flaxseed, salt and pepper to taste. Toss and serve. Gently toss everything together and enjoy immediately as a high-protein muscle building meal. Why it's great for muscle building? This salad is packed with high-quality vegetarian protein from paneer and chickpeas, which are excellent for muscle repair and growth. It's low in carbs, rich in healthy fats, and high in fiber, making it perfect for building muscle and maintaining a lean physique. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.